how to make it easy to say yes in sales. Hey everyone, my name is Jacob and my channel is about building your future through business, investing, and purpose. Today we got a really awesome topic that I want to talk about, and this really pertains to our business and business selling projects and things of a large ticket size. And with that being said, there are certain things when you do that can make it easier to say yes. And let's get right into those. So in all sales, there's a huge point that certainty makes it easier to say yes. You give the person a clear picture that you are the go-to for the answers. So what does that mean? That means no wavering in your thoughts when you're talking to them about a project. No, not sure, really knowing when you say something and being clear about it. And then if there's ever a topic that you're not 100% about, immediately saying, hey, I don't have the answer for you on that, but I'll get that for you and I'll get right back to you. So they know you don't try to give them just answers to satisfy. You make sure things are 100% correct before they even hear from you. And that certainty can move a project so much farther, can move any sale so much farther. These first two aren't as big. This last third one's kind of like something that we found that really helped us that I want you to stick around for. But certainty in all sales and all communications will take you so far. Number two. So we sell landscape installations. These can range from 5,000 to 100,000 or more. And the bigger the project, the clearer the plan. When you spend more money, you want to know that, hey, this is what we're setting out to do. This is exactly what it's going to look like. And this is how we're going to fulfill that dream, that idea, that plan. So a clear plan makes it so much easier. It gives them, here again, we're going right back to the original point. We're increasing certainty by giving a plan that states this is exactly what we're going to do. This is what it's going to look like, a pretty good idea of what it's going to look like. Obviously, a 3D rendering is not necessarily real, and it's only going to be a close picture of what we're doing. So this plan with these lists of material and these different things give them a clear idea of what we're doing, which makes it easier to move forward and say yes. So I said the last thing I wanted to talk about in this, and I want to keep this video short because I want to talk about some things that really help this in every sales process, and then this one last thing that is changing our business and will continue, and we still haven't even used it enough, and that is financing. Right now, people are scared about their money. They're scared about what's going on with the economy, the pandemic, and everything. And before you click off of this and say, no, I don't want to hear him talk about financing, this isn't a sale for anything. This is just the thought process. Financing, like we are offering, makes it so much easier to say yes. And it is all so crystal clear. There's two that we sell, and that is same as cash for 12 months. That doesn't get any better. That gets people past the fear, So if someone was going to do this project anyway, it's something that I would take on if I wanted to do a project. They are getting to do the project and they are buying 12 months of time, zero interest, zero payments, zero anything to get it done and to maybe get into a more secure time. And then also there's some other ones like a 5-year fixed and a 10-year fixed that we can offer. And everyone is so set on ingrained in making payments on things. So giving this option, some people feel like it's wrong and some people feel like it's right, but people want options. People want to make payments on things. And I feel as if it's a disservice if we aren't offering it, if we aren't telling them the great deals we have to help finance these projects, to get people in the things they want sooner. Because a lot of people are willing to borrow money to change their lives. And when like our product, we're making outdoor living spaces that allow people to have experiences with people that they otherwise could not have. Most people care more than anything about the experiences and the connection they have with their friends and their family, and that's what these places do. So slowing them down and making it harder to say yes by not offering something like financing only hurts them and your business. So those are the 3 things I wanted to go over. Sales is a huge topic, but these are great. Certainty, having a clear plan, and financing is something you need to look into. For us, we look at it through a stone provider that offers it through a bank, but there's a bunch of different stuff that I'd looked into before. Wells Fargo offers it, for different construction and contractor people out there, and the financing goes on and on and on. It can be for anything. You can find people that will do it for anything, and the larger the ticket price, the more the option may appeal to someone, because you don't want them to have to put it on their credit card because of the high interest rates. You want to be able to give them an affordable option. And back to the people, I used to feel guilty about financing. Back to the people that feel guilty about financing, people will do that. If you offer them a great financing program, they can actually take that. If you disservice them by not offering a great financing program, they will still put it on their credit card and get charged enormous interest rates to get the project done. So you've serviced them and you gave them a healthier financial option to do their work. Everyone, I hope you enjoyed this video. This was quick, this was short, this was easy. The financing being the biggest sales point to me because it's been exciting. We've done a couple and they are so easy and they can be done in 10 minutes, okayed, ready to go. If you like this, leave a comment, let me know, hit that thumbs up, make sure to subscribe. And also in the comments below, whatever your business is, it doesn't matter. Does your business offer financing? Do you guys use financing to help the sale, to help people get into products that they really need that are gonna change their life? Everyone, I'll see you soon. Bye.